Hello, Nina.
Hello,
Oh, good evening. Oh, you look so sad.
I'm not sad.
Okay. Oh, today is another Monday. Oh,
Yeah,
what did you do Saturday and Sunday?
Saturday.
Yes,
Saturday
yesterday.
I go
Yeah,
to
I
cooking class
went.
and I go to 성당. Well, you don't know what is 성당 is.
No,
Something there. People uh, like a teacher is telling something.
wait a minute. You're learning how to cook also?
I made a cookie and I go to a cooking
Wow, I went to
class.
Okay, you went to cooking class. Okay, that's good. That's good because you're learning how to cook.
Yeah.
Okay, because you wanted to be a baker someday, right?
Yeah, and I made a cookie, but I want to show you is in the living room,
Oh,
in
wait
the
a minute.
kitchen.
I think I forgot something in the house because I promised you that I'm going to take a picture of my pets, right?
Yeah,
Oh my, Teacher Lisa forgot on the table.
uh, you
So,
can you can get it.
oh, I cannot. I cannot because the office is too far away.
Hmm.
Oh,
It's
school.
not your
Oh,
home here.
no, this is not my home, so I cannot get it. So, but
And
I already printed the pictures.
hmm,
But
and
sad to say,
Monday, Tuesday, Friday, and I go to a trip.
when are you going to go on a trip?
Friday.
I It's a holiday, right? It's a holiday.
Yeah,
Ah,
but mommy said not tell me yet. Where we gonna go yet.
it's a
It's a
it's a
secret.
surprise.
Mommy said it's a secret.
Oh, wow. But of course you're going to tell me when we meet again next week, right?
Yeah,
Okay. What are we going to do now?
I'm gonna tell. I read the book on
What
the
book?
magic dungeon.
Wait a minute. What book are we now?
I
What
forgot.
number? Is it number
We read
6 now
the
or
for
still
all of it.
are we on book 6 already or still there are some stories in book 5? What do you think? Are we still on book 5 or book 6?
We are in book 5 now.
We're going to read book 5.
Yeah,
So there are still
before
stories
I
that
read
we
you this one.
so there are still stories we haven't read before.
I think we read this one.
Which one?
We read all of it and just we're gonna don't even no. Then we're gonna read book 6 now.
Oh, we're going to read book 6 now. Okay.
Is is this book gonna dark Africa now?
So in book 6 are they going to defeat Dark now?
Hmm. the jungle now.
Oh, why are they in the jungle?
The Olympian do the spell and whoosh, and they come to the jungle, and the one man come here with the knife.
Oh, oh, where is that man coming from?
In the
He looks
bushes.
different. He looks different. The way the clothes are different.
Yeah, because it's Africa. Look, the bad people run away.
Ah, okay, they are in Africa now. Okay, they are in Africa. I forgot.
And the another Africa people look angry
Oh, why are they angry?
because the bad man was in the night, right? They tell him the another people, and the king is angry.
Hmm. Okay, that's too bad because the king is angry now.
Yeah,
Oh,
and they're in a jail now.
oh,
But
okay.
Olivia do the spell, and they get out. And someone said, "Stop right there." And Jack said, "Uh-oh, not
Oh,
is we are in a trouble." And I know you're not hunting the animals. My uncle Pete is hunting them. Can you help me? The girl is asking.
stop right. It's a stop right there. Yeah, I saw it. I saw it. Okay, then what happened? What happened next?
He said, on daytime he looks sick, but at night he changes. He becomes a very bad man. Well, why is he hunting animals? I don't know. B is a park ranger. He walks animals. But at night, I think your uncle has the question. We will help you.
Oh, he's crying.
Yeah, because his uncle is catching animals and he's sick. The man was met yesterday in the nighttime.
Oh, he looks really bad because he's sweating.
Yeah,
He is sweating.
and they found the secret room.
They
I,
found.
I found something and he found the secret room.
Mm,
And they get in. There's animal skin and some elephant something.
mm-hmm.
And the live animals was inside here too.
Oh, they're still alive, according to Jack.
Yeah. And this bird is so sad, so poor.
People will buy them for pets. Oh,
And he find the lost cat, the man. This man was finding this cat, and the cat was in this cage.
mhm. Who put the animals on the cages?
The bad man. And he he see the cat and cry because he was so happy. And the bad crystal came out in his body. Look.
Mm-hmm. Oh, so that's why he became a bad man because of the purple crystal.
Yeah, because of the power. And the story is done, and we're gonna read the story too in here the
How many
story
stories? How many stories left?
is we need to read two stories inside, and the next story is Dark Eyes, and Dark Eyes is the duck.
Oh my. So we still have two stories left before we can finish everything? Two
Hmm.
stories left? Okay. Do you still have a lot of books after Olivia and Jack's book, Magic Adventures? Do you have
I
other
made the
books?
book myself too,
Yeah, I know. I
and I
know.
am making this book too.
Oh,
And
oh,
you called me, and I was making a book, and I was come with me. Wait, I was
okay.
making a book here.
Okay.
I had so many books I made. Here, this box is all of my books. All my books. Oh,
Oh, be
all my
careful.
books. It's so many. This is the book of the someone and a big book and a small book and so many things and I cannot all show you and I just took it.
Oh, be careful. That's too heavy.
Yeah,
That's too
because I made
heavy.
so many books. Cool, let's look
Okay.
at now.
Okay. Okay. So no taekwondo today.
I do take on the word. I changed my clothes to my clothes. It's a new clothes. My mommy bought me yesterday.
Wow. You look
And
really
in
pretty.
my pants had a ribbon here.
Oh, be careful. Be careful.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Okay. Anyways, we are going to make sentences, right? So, we are going to follow the rules we learned this time about our verbs. Okay. So,
Okay.
if the most verbs, you either add you add s. Okay. Then,
Mm,
if you have a singular subject, but if not, no, you don't. So, but verbs ending in consonant Y, you drop the I and add IES. For verbs ending in S, CH, SH, X, O, and V, you add ES. ES.
yes.
Yes. Okay. Let's see. Like, for example, Jenny wakes, because Jenny is only one, wakes. Okay, what about if we have two? So we eat. Okay, we eat
We eat.
dinner. So there's no S on the verb eats. Okay, we eat. Okay,
We
this
eat.
time, oh, David and Sam. So there's two of them. Okay,
I
so what
think
is
David is the little brother and Sam is the big brother.
real? Okay, or you can name them or whichever you want. Okay, so David and Sam. Can you complete the sentence? David and Sam.
David and Sam go to school at 8 o'clock.
Very good. Okay, very, very good. Okay, this time we don't have names, but we can use the pronoun they.
They go to home at 6.
Oh,
Uh,
no, it's not six. So the shorthand is
oh,
still in five.
in 5:30.
Okay, at 5:30.
And I had this clock here too.
Okay, so it's already 6:15. 6:15, right? It's 6:15 in your country, but in the Philippines, it's only 5:15.
It's heavy.
Okay.
I drop it and every broke.
Oo, be careful with your clock. Okay. So how about you? What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 8. I the school going time is I went to school is not the time. The school going time is 8. This is wait. When
Mhm.
I went to school at this o'clock. 20
8:20.
many times. This is
8:20.
wait.
Mhm.
Today I
Mhm.
go to wait because of my I need to give my sister go to kindergarten safely and I looked them and go it was wait.
Okay. So what time do you go home?
I don't know that.
But today, what time did you arrive home?
I don't know because
You didn't.
I don't look at the clock.
Okay. Oh, any questions?
What's your dinner or snack?
Oh, look at my snack. This one is a sticky food, but it has, I'm not sure if it's, so this is very sticky. Okay, so
It's
it
a
has,
syrup.
no, not the syrup. It has sweet potato, it has banana, it has coconut stripes, coconut. It has also some tapioca balls. I'm not sure if you can see. So this is somehow very sweet. So it has coconut milk. So this is
Mm-hmm.
what we call lugaw. Okay,
Look up.
lugaw. Yes, lugaw. That is my snack. And of course, turon. I'm not sure if you have seen turon.
What
Wait a
is
minute.
tune?
Oh, I'm going to show you. Okay, so sometimes you can wrap banana. Then you can also have what do you call it? Ube
Banana.
or rice. Okay. Some even have ice cream on top. Or like this one, it has ube ice cream on top. This one is
Syrup.
vanilla ice cream.
It's a
So
dessert like something.
yeah, it's a dessert. So there you can have jackfruit or banana inside. Then there's sugar. Then they are fried. It's called turon. This one is
Tune.
turon. Okay, this is the spelling Turn. Turon.
This is your dinner?
No, that's snack together with this sticky thing.
Then what's my dinner? What's
Oh,
your dinner?
my dinner is of course rice. Then I have eggplant eggplant with scrambled eggs.
Eggplant
Then
is this one, right? It's purple and whips here.
okay, I'm going to show you, okay? Um, okay, this is my dinner. Okay, wait a minute, where is it now? I cannot find the picture of ginisang talong. Aha. Okay, wait a minute. I cannot find a picture of ginisang talong. Talong is eggplant, okay? So it has oh, but I didn't put any spicy, what do you call spicy chili peppers, but
Chili
okay, this one.
is eggplant.
Yeah, it's eggplant. Okay,
It
it's
look
egg.
yucky.
Really? Oh, I'm
Yeah,
going to show you the not yucky ones. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, let me show you the not the yucky ones.
it
Oh
looks
my.
yucky.
Oh, wait a
There.
minute. Wait a minute. Okay, this one. How about this one? I'm not sure if this is going to be yucky for you.
Yucky. Not really yucky, but a little bit yucky.
Still yucky? Oh my. Okay. Oh, let's so that's my dinner. And what else do I have? Uh, 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 uh,
My
uh,
dinner is tomato spaghetti. Mommy
oh,
said that.
okay. Okay, that's good. Okay. Oh, anyway, let's go back now. Okay, let's go back now to our lessons. Okay, where are we now? So select a verb and make a sentence. So for example, we have how many? Oh, we have four verbs. Okay. So the first one example is we choose the verb walk. So there's three of them. So they walk.
Walk home.
Okay, they walk home. So you're not going to use walk anymore. Okay.
And we
So
had
next.
play, white, go.
Okay. So
I said white here is
okay.
all this one.
Or, oh, it looks like H. It
It's
looks like
not
H.
H, it's R. My name, R.
Oh, okay, okay,
And
okay.
white, he,
He.
white,
Oh, there's only
white,
one. There's only one subject. So are you going to put letter S or not?
just white. He, white to school.
Okay. There's an S. There's an
Mm-hmm.
S. Okay, so there's an S. Okay.
Well,
Okay. So we're not going to use ride anymore. Okay. So play and go. Okay. Play and go. Oh, what's next?
mm, they like to borrow
Oh,
books.
oh, we only have play and go. Okay. Play and go.
They like to go to library.
They they go.
Go to library.
Oh, they go to the library. Okay. So what's the last?
He like to play. What's that playing game?
That's tennis. Okay. That's
Tennis.
tennis.
He like to play tennis.
Okay. He plays
He
tennis.
play tennis.
Okay. Okay. So, any
Um,
question?
I had a question.
What is
What
it?
do you do at home at weekend yesterday?
Oh, we we clean a little bit of the house because my nephew and cousin fix our roof. So
Mhm.
there's a hole in our roof because the the mango fruit keep on falling.
No,
Okay,
mango
so
tree is falling.
yes, the branches, the fruits fell on our roof. Okay,
Then
so
you can
there,
eat the mango now.
yes, we do have. We had some mangoes in the house. So they fix it. Then we tried to clean all the branches, put it in a place where the garbage man can pick it up.
Mm.
Okay, then what else? Well, I cleaned my turtle's pond. Okay, so
Can you fish too?
oh, the aquarium is too big. I cannot clean it alone. So only
You
my
fish live in the aquarium.
it's too big. It's too
You
big.
fish live in an aquarium.
Yes, in an aquarium. So it's very big. So I cannot clean it by myself. So
You need
only
to go
my
inside
cousin.
the water.
No, no, no. There are tubes. Okay, water out, then water in. So there's also a filter to keep the water
Filter
clean. Yeah, filter.
like a tank here and a water filter in the top or here. Then the
Yes.
water has get it in and let it out, get it then get it and the fish tank will
Mm,
be clean.
mm, mm. Oh, so what do you call it? So it's very, very difficult to clean the big fish, but the turtles, it's too easy. It's
Too
too easy.
easy.
Yeah, it's too easy to clean the turtle's pond.
It's very easy.
Yeah, it's very easy. Okay, so it's very, very easy. Okay, what else? Do you still have any questions?
I had question. Then you go to the aquarium and how can you feed your fish?
Ah, we feed the fish with shrimps. So
Shrimp.
let we slice the shrimps into tiny pieces. Then we just what do you call it? Drop it on the water. So the fish will catch the shrimp. Oh, and eat the shrimp.
Then another fish in the tank or the your big fish is on a wall.
Only one because he doesn't want to have another. He's going to eat the small fishes. So only one fish.
Then he's a boy or a girl.
We don't know, but we named him Donato.
Donato. And
Yes,
you can make a friend because he can marry another friend.
but we didn't put any fish, another fish on the aquarium. He's going to eat the
Eat
fishes. Yeah, he's
because
going to eat
he's
the
very very
small.
big
Yeah, he is very big. Okay,
like
so he is
that.
so big. It's like 24 inches.
Then can you show me with the not your fish picture or in the another fish? What fish? Oh, its
Ar
name is it?
Arwana, tomorrow, if I won't forget, I'm really going to bring the pictures tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow.
Mhm.
I, Teacher Lisa has so many things to
Then
to
you
to
can
think
show me
about.
with you can
Yes, I
do
can.
and you
I
can show me right now.
No,
We
we
not
don't have much
printed.
time. We don't have
Okay.
much time. So tomorrow only, okay?
Okay.
Okay,
Bye.
bye. Bye. Thank you very much.